Hey guys, this is your boy Michael with the H&M Reviews channel, and today we're going to show you how to use the hot stapler. A lot of people have been talking, they're not sure exactly how to use it or what the staples are for, because every staple has its own usage, okay? So yeah, this is the hot stapler plastic welding torch. This is 150 watt. 150 watt. Comes with the LED light, as you can see, okay? Gotta plug it in. But yeah, I made a couple little cracks up here. I want to show you guys. This is a little like oil container, and this has, see if you look, it's broken right here, see it? A little crack in there, see it? There we go. And as you can see the little cut in there, see it? Okay, now, a lot of people have the misconception of how to use these staples, because every staple is different, guys. See, here's one of the staples. This is the wavy staple. It's the wavy one. There's two different sizes. See it? Okay. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to plug it into the, see the little two holes here? There's two holes. See the holes? Two holes in there. Don't, put it in all the way, and you can see it. See it? Now, a lot of people would do it like this. They put the staple in across, like this. You push the button, turn a little bit. This is very thin plastic, so okay, there we go. See it? I don't know if you can see it on there. See it right there? Put it in just like that, and if you notice, it goes long ways. See how the cut goes down, and I put it in long ways. So as you can notice, there's one little piece of the staple loop that's through the crack. Okay, now here's how I would do it. Okay, here's how I would do it. Again, gonna plug your staple in. Not plug it in, but just put it in the holes, like I showed you. Plug it in. See it? Okay, now I'm gonna put it in long ways. Okay, I'm gonna do it long ways like this. And you always give it a little turn after it starts melting in. Give it a little turn. See? Now, see how, again, see how it is? The top one, see how there's 4 or 5 pieces of stainless steel loop that's embedded in the crack for strength. The bottom one, there's only one loop. Do you see what I'm saying? Watch. Yeah. See, guys? See how the bottom one, you get one loop. This little piece of loop right here is embedded in the crack. One loop. These other parts of the staple are not in the crack. The one on top, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of the stainless steel staple that's embedded in the crack. So this is great coverage, I think. The bottom one is not good coverage, but some people do it this way and it works fine. See, this is the top one. I did the exact same thing. I did it from like side by side, which is not a great fix, I don't think, or top to bottom, which I think is a much better coverage fix. But to each their own. Everyone has their preference. Okay. Okay. You put it on. You see how it is right here? I don't know if you can see it or not. See it? Now what you do is, 2 seconds. See? And also what you could do is, you got to take the same exact plastic that this is made of, use a zip tie which is compatible. Okay, what you do is, melt it on in, see? You want to fill up the holes. Fill up the holes a little bit. See? See it? I don't know if you can see it. See? See it? Look at that. See? A lot of people don't know this, but the more continuous use that you do with the gun, it overheats after a while. So after it overheats, it won't work. You have to wait about 10 minutes and then it'll work again. Okay? So with continuous use of these things, it will not work. It's going to overheat. Just so you know. So don't think it's broken, because it won't be broken. See? 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 And you could always sand this down, Dremel it if you want, sand it, whatever. Spray paint it after you sand it, you know. But yeah, always use the compatible plastic. Alright guys, I did a little test here. Okay, we did side-by-side staples all the way down, pretending that's a crack all the way down, and then we did top to bottom staples all the way down. Okay, they're both the same size crack. Well, it was actually a marker. Now, let's count the staples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 staples all the way down. Now, this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 staples all the way down. The same size crack. This is 13. So double the staples it took. And this side to the left, if you notice, there's one loop that's over the crack. One little loop over the crack. So that green line is representing a crack. There's one stainless steel loop all the way down. Here, there's, on every staple, going all the way down, the whole staple is in the crack. There's 7 top to bottom staples here, and there's 13 side-by-side staples all the way down. Okay, do you see my point? There's more coverage on the ones to the right. More, I mean, it's going to be more stable, I think. Over here, you're getting very minimal coverage if you look. Okay, that green line represents the crack, and there's going to be one piece of the loop of the stainless steel staple on the crack all the way up. So to me, that's not really, it's not great coverage. But on this side, all the way up. And yeah, it's crooked. Yeah, I know it's a little crooked. Get off my case. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys, you know, that certain staples are meant for certain things. And, you know, and when you want to, you know, do it this way, you can do it this way, but, you know, it's up to you. It's your preference, but more coverage, you're going to save staples, more coverage, in my opinion. You do it like this on the right side, all right? Also, this is going to be one of the corner staples like I showed you before. It's a little weird looking, but it is what it is. See, watch, we're just going to show you. See, here's how I would do it, but there you go. See how it embeds itself in there? Give it a little turn when it's sinking in, you know, and there was no crack there. I'm just giving you an example. That's for a corner, see? That's for a weird corner, you know, but yeah. See? Again, do it again for you. Yeah, I'm just trying to show you the proper way to use these things. A little bit, just to give it that little, you know, squeeze. Pop it out. There you go, see it? See it? There you go. These are for corners. Okay? They're for corners. Like I showed you before, they have this one also, but this one here, see it? It wouldn't be too ideal for this, because this is for the inner corner. Let's see what you could do. You see it? Put it in like this, maybe. So you could put it in like that. See it? There we go. I don't know if you can see it in there or not. Boom. See it? I mean, it works. It does work. It's not great, but it works. See it? Yeah, there it is right there. Yeah, it does work. See it? See how it's in the corner there? This is for the inside corners. See it? Okay, and this is for the outside corners, like I showed you before a second ago. See it? Yeah, with these little plastic guns, guys, these are the way it is, man. These are going to fix things left and right now. Things are great. But yeah, the left side, to me, I don't think is great coverage. And on the right side, it's great coverage, less staples. Got 7 on the right, 13 on the left. Let me know what you would do. Let me know in the comments exactly what you would do. Did you guys see what I mean? I'm just trying to help you guys out here. Alright guys, well that's my 2 cents on the plastic welding tip. You know. And yeah, let me know in the comment section how you would do things, alright? Shake your neighbor's hand, guys. Hey, this is Michael with the H&M Reviews channel. Hey, shake your neighbor's hand, as I always say. No more fighting in this world. Click that subscribe button. Click the bell icon. Click all so you never miss an upcoming post or video of ours. Alright? Peace out, guys. Have a good one.